The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to be one of the best-selling SUVs in the market, and for good reason. It offers a balance of practicality, efficiency, and technology, making it an excellent choice for families and adventure seekers alike. In this review, we'll take a closer look at what makes the RAV4 such a standout option. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 RAV4 retains its rugged yet refined styling. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular body lines give it a sporty and aggressive stance. Toyota offers a range of trim levels, including the off-road focused TRD version, which comes with all-terrain tires and additional skid plates for those who love to explore rough trails. The overall design remains fresh and modern, making it a stylish option in the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 continues with its reliable powertrain options. The standard model is powered by a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It delivers a smooth and efficient ride with an estimated fuel economy of around 27 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway. For those who want even better efficiency, Toyota offers a hybrid variant that combines the same engine with an electric motor, pushing the total output to 219 horsepower while achieving an impressive 41 mpg in the city. There's also the RAV4 Prime, a plug-in hybrid model that delivers 302 horsepower and up to 42 miles of electric-only driving. Inside, the RAV4's cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with technology. The materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces and high-quality finishes, especially in the higher trims. The seats are supportive, offering plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Cargo space is also generous, with up to 37.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 69.8 cubic feet when folded down. Whether you're hauling groceries or gear for a weekend trip, the RAV4 has plenty of room to accommodate your needs. Technology is another strong point of the RAV4. The infotainment system comes with an available 10.5-inch touchscreen, featuring Toyota's latest software, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and JBL premium sound system add to the modern driving experience. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite is standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking to keep you safe on the road. Driving the 2025 RAV4 is a pleasant experience. The steering is responsive, and the suspension is tuned for a comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The all-wheel drive system, available on most trims, provides added confidence in challenging weather conditions or light off-road adventures. The RAV4 Prime, with its electric boost, offers quicker acceleration, making it the sportiest option in the lineup. Overall, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 remains a top contender in the compact SUV market. It offers a great mix of style, performance, efficiency, and advanced features, making it a smart choice for buyers looking for a versatile and reliable vehicle. Whether you prioritize fuel economy, off-road capability, or everyday practicality, the RAV4 has a model to suit your lifestyle.